Hey there, science enthusiasts! Today I'm diving into the fascinating world of the Maha Kumbh Mela, an event that not only holds immense spiritual significance but also showcases some intriguing scientific phenomena. You might be wondering, what kind of science is hidden in this age-old tradition? Well, let's find out. First up, let's talk about the incredible human movement. The Maha Kumbh draws millions of people, making it one of the largest human gatherings on the planet. This mass movement is a goldmine for studying crowd dynamics and human behavior. Researchers use this opportunity to understand how massive groups move, interact, and even how diseases spread. These insights are invaluable for planning safer public events and improving crowd control mechanisms globally. Ever wondered about the water quality? The Ganges River where the Kumbh takes place is believed to cleanse sins, but it also undergoes a natural purification process. Scientists have observed that the river surprisingly shows a temporary increase in self-cleaning properties during the Kumbh. This is due to the increased flow of water, which enhances its ability to dilute pollutants and increase oxygen levels. It's a remarkable example of how natural systems can temporarily improve under specific conditions. But that's not all. Let's talk about the astronomical significance. The timing of the Maha Kumbh is determined by a complex interplay of planetary positions, particularly Jupiter and the Sun. When these celestial bodies align in certain zodiac signs, it is believed to create a highly auspicious period. This alignment isn't just spiritual mumbo-jumbo, it's based on astrological calculations that have been studied for centuries. And here's a fun fact. The Maha Kumbh also provides a natural laboratory for studying genetics. With people from various regions and communities converging at one place, geneticists get a unique chance to study the genetic diversity of the human population. This helps in understanding how genes flow across different regions and enhance our knowledge of human evolution. Lastly, the logistics behind managing such a colossal event are mind-boggling. From waste management to healthcare services, the Kumbh is a live case study for urban planning and resource management. The successful organization of this event provides valuable lessons in crisis management and sustainable planning. So there you have it. The Maha Kumbh Mela is not just a spiritual gathering. It's a confluence of fascinating scientific phenomena. Next time you hear about the Kumbh, remember it's a lot more than meets the eye. If you enjoyed this dive into the science of the Maha Kumbh, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep questioning and stay curious.